Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you turn your PC back to the normal color. See, look at my PC now. It's turned into black and white color. So you want it to turn to normal, so we're gonna go to search on color setting. Yes, so now you click on the color setting and then you look at the right side, you will see high contrast setting. So now you click on high contrast setting. Okay, you will see there's color filter. Then the color filter, they show you how you can also use the shortcut key control with window key with letter C. Okay, you can also use apply color filter. You drag this, turn on or turn off, yes, and then your window will be back. I'll turn it into normal color. See? Okay, so let's try to use control, window key and letter C. So now you hold control, window key and letter C, and then what's going on with your computer? Let's try it together. So now I hold control, window and letter C. Okay, so now it's turned into black and white. So now if I hold control, window key and letter C again, it will be back to normal. Okay, I hope you enjoyed with this video. Thank you so much for your watching. Goodbye.